Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed up to 3.1, but today I am taking the revision because next week exam will be there, so I am taking the revision. So in that revision, first one, shapes. So in the shapes chapter, what you have learned: angle, types of angles, measuring an angle and naming of an angle. So what is meant by angle? So angle is we call it as, this one is angle. So first, what are these two? So first give a name A, O, B. So what is this OB? OB is a ray. This one is one ray and OA is another ray. So these two are rays. So definition of angle. So this is an angle formed here. So what is the definition of an angle? The two rays. These two rays from OA and OB. So the figure formed by two rays. The figure formed by two rays sharing same initial point. So this is the initial point now. So same initial point is called angle. So what is the definition of an angle? The figure formed by two rays sharing a common initial point is called angle. Okay. So next, naming of an angle. So how to name this angle? AOB, AOB or BOA. What is that? AOB or BOA. So how to write this one? AOB. So use this symbol or BOA. Both are same. We can write any one. AOB, AOB or BOA. So this is the naming of an angle. So next, types of angles. Zero angle. So what is the definition of zero angle? The measure of an angle must be 0 degree. The measure of an angle must be 0 degree. So this one is zero angle. No? That means, so here one ray is there. This is initial ray. No? This is initial ray and this one is final ray. This one is again final. That means final ray doesn't move to any distance. That figure form, that we call as zero angle. So next, acute angle. The measurement is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. That is 0 degree and in between, no, this one. So between 0 degree and 90 degree. So we call it as acute angle. What about right angle? Right angle is exactly equals to 90 degree. That is 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle is, this is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. That is 90 degree and 180 degree. So next, straight angle. Straight angle means that is the measurement of an angle is exactly equals to 180 degree. Next, reflex angle means the measurement is in between 180 and 360 degree. That is 180 degree and 360 degree. This is in between. This one is between 180 degree and 360 degree. And last one, complete angle is exactly equals to 360 degree. The angle is exactly equals to 360 degree. That angle we call as complete angle. So these are types of angles. So one question is there: identify the greatest angle. So greatest means that is the largest angle. So here acute angle is a right angle, reflex angle and zero angle is there. Acute angle means this is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Right angle means exactly 90 degree. Reflex means that is 180 degree and 360 degree. In between 180 degree and 360 degree. And zero angle means 0 degree. So which one is greater here? Obviously reflex angle. So here which is the greatest angle? So here greatest or largest, both are same. So angle equals is reflex angle. If they ask smallest means, which one is smallest? Zero angle. Smallest is zero angle. Just largest means reflex, smallest means zero angle. here they are given the angles. What type of angles these are? So just measure it, or otherwise you can see proper it. So next question, fourth one, second one, sorry. These are the angles they given. So what is the question? What type of angles? So before we look at the measurement by using protractor, so observe it properly. You will get the angles here only by seeing this one. So this is in between 90 degree and 180 no. Why? Because 90 degree means exactly right angle. So this is 90 degree. If they given like this is acute angle, this is right angle. So see this one is obtuse angle no? Right. See this one here also. We can observe obtuse angle here also. Obtuse angle. So what are the types of angle? So these are which type of angles? Obtuse angles. So these are obtuse angles. So if they given this one, these figures, these are acute angles. They given these figures means these are right angles. Like this. So what are these three type of angles? So these are acute angles. So these are acute angles. If they give this type, this is the symbol for 90 degree, that is right angle. So what are these type of angles? So these are right angles. Right angles. So this is the type of angles you have to see it properly and get the answer. So next third question, the angle between the directions north and east. How to find out the angle? So first, this is the figure now. So this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Okay. So these are the angles, these are the directions east, north, west, south. So in between these two directions north and east, what will be the angle? The angle is 90 degree. So that means this is 90 degree. So north and east direction is 90 degree. If they ask north and south means this is 90 and this one is 90. 90 plus 90. This one, how to add this? First add the unit digit 0 plus 0, 0 only, 9 plus 9, 18. That is 180 degree. So this one is north to south. North and south angle 180 degree. North to south 180 degree, east to west 180 degree. East to north 90, north to west 90. If they ask only these two directions 90 degree, obviously 90 degree will be there. If they ask two opposite directions, so these are in opposite direction, north and south, so 180 degree. If they ask east and west, total 180 degree. Understand now this one? So that means direction of north and east angle is 90 degree. Like this they will ask questions. So next chapter, that is large numbers now. So 2,05,03,223. So write in numerals. So how to write this one? So first 2 crore 5 lakh. In the lakh place only 5 lakh, that is 5. So this one is 5 lakh. Next 3,000, only 3 asking, that is 3, because this is the lakhs group, thousands group, this one is lakhs group, next one is crore group, no? So only 3,000. Next 223. So what is the number? 2 crore 5 lakh. In the lakhs group only 5, that is 5 lakh. 5 lakh 3,223. Like this you have to write it So here they given the numerals. So write in words. How to write that one? So first write down the number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 5. So any one system, international or Indian system. Try to write it Indian system. Okay. So here first comma comes after 3 digit, next after every 2 digits. So what is that number? First ones 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That is crore place. What is that number? 5. That is first 5 crore. Next in the lakhs group, what is that number? 67. That is 67 lakh. 67 lakh. Next 89,000. 89,235. 235. I have explained only one form because of shortage of time. So this is the conversion. Words to numerals, numeral to words. So next 181, writing Roman numbers. So first write down that number 181 in numerals. 181 is there. So first we have to take 100 group, that is plus first 100. Next plus 80. How to write that 80? We can write it as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 50 plus 10, 60, 70, 80, 180 plus 1. That means that is 1. Okay. So 100 means what is the Roman number? C, no? C. Next 50 means L. You are adding the numbers, no? That means you have to write it right side of the numbers. L. 10 means how many times? 3 times. Maximum 3 times. No? 10 means that is X, no? X, X, X. 1 means I. So this is the conversion of Roman number to numeral to Roman number. So next this type of question is there. So circle the correct answers. Here they given the answers. You have to just circle it. So 70. How to write that 70? 70. So here 50 plus 10 plus 10. 50, 60, 70. So this is the correct answer. So circle it. So check this one. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 50. This is wrong. Why? Because you can write only one letter before to the larger number. So that means this is wrong. Next 80. LX. L means 50 plus 10, 60. Is this right? No. Check this one. L means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Add it. What will you get the answer? 50 plus 10 plus 10. That is 80. You get the answer. So next, here X is there, here C is there. Here wrote only one small number no, before to the larger number. That means this one is subtraction. How to write this one? 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 means 90. No? 100 minus 10 means 90. What about this one? CX. C means 100 plus 10. This is 110. But you want 90. No? That means answer is XC. This is the way of writing the answers. So one word problem is there. So population of countries given below. So here the population of India, Nepal, China and England they given. So what is the sub question? What is the population of Nepal? Write in words. So Nepal population is this much, no? So population of Nepal equals to, so write down that number 5785332. So you should write in words now. So that's why put the commas first, 3 digit, 2 digit. So what is this number? 5 lakh. So this is lakhs group, thousands group and ones group. 5,78,532. So write it 5 lakh 78,000 remaining 532. 532. Okay. So second one, India and England which has a larger population. So first India population. So write down the number 100523567. So first place the commas. Indian system. First comma comes after 3 digit, next 2 digit, 2 digit. So what is this number? So this is in a crore, 10 crore 5,23,567. Next, which population they asked? England. So England population. England population. So write down the number 8532543225. So first place the comma 322. So here 85 crore 32 lakh 54,325 and here 10 crore. So which has a larger population? Here 10 crore is there, here 85 crore is there. Which one is greater? Obviously England population is larger. So but in reality India's population is more larger than England, but this is an example. So England population is 85 crore something. Okay, so which has a larger population? England has a larger population than India. Okay.